What is up folks, this is Shady Tech, and today I'm going to do unboxing and review of Yongnuo budget lens, and this one is particularly for Sony E-mounts, and this is 50mm F1.8 apertures. So let's get on with it. And here's the retail box of Yongnuo lens 50mm F1.8 for Sony E-mounts. Let's just quickly look around the box itself. As you can see that there's a lot of description. Most of them is in Chinese, obviously. So quickly going through it, it says DSM F1.8 quick autofocus silent. Well, interesting. Silent says an update of software. If there's an update at all, and the macro at 0.45 meter. And there's also in here frames for APS-C. Filter size is 49mm. And I put also this written there and E-mounts. Okay, so let's just quickly open this up, and it's nicely wrapped inside like a cloth kind of things here. And there's a little bit of a card in Chinese again. Written there, there's even phone numbers and so on for Yongnuo headquarters, I assume, maybe not. And of course there's a lot some manual description here in English and Chinese. Alright, that's this is pretty much it. And another one here, I believe it is for the warranty card. Alright, so nothing else in the box. Okay, just put it aside there, and let's see, let's open this up. Two of them separately, but they wrapped together though. So for this one, it's the hood. It's a full cover kind of a hood here. And of course, this is the lens. It's a 49mm head. Alright, so in the front, you can see that there's a cap here. It's a wide-end lens, the typical Yongnuo lens kind of cap here. And of course, you can see, maybe just I'll open it up over there a bit later on, and at the back you can see that there's a cap again, wide-end lens. Alright, so there you have it. This is the macro 0.45 at 1.48 feet written there, and the DSM F1.8 Yongnuo 50mm. It's a little bit on the heavy side of the bit, even though it's not much. You can see that it's I would say it's pretty well built actually. Doesn't seem flimsy at all. Feels good in my hand, of course. Right, so let's just quickly open these things up and see. Alright, so you can see the inside there. It's clean as the new things going on there. Okay, now I'm just gonna put it on the camera and do a test a little bit. Right, so you can see that the autofocus is really fast, and also it's really silent. Almost doesn't produce any sound at all when it's autofocusing and refocus and all. It's really smooth, which is really surprising considering this like a really cheap and budget lens from Yongnuo. Alright, actually I'm recording these videos with the lens itself now. I don't do any editing or color correction. This is straight from the video itself. So what do you think of the bokeh and all this sharpness on my face? Does it look well? And here's some video samples and also photos from this lens. Alright, so what do I think of all of these Yongnuo budget lens for Sony E-mounts? I think this is a really good deal. It's only about a little bit over $100 US. You can grab one yourself in any kind of a Yongnuo stores or distributor if you can find one in online or any stores available in your city itself. Particularly, I would say that it took really well image qualities, but it's struggle a little bit to find the autofocusing when you're doing a video recording, for example. It tried to hunt a little bit, and sometimes it's just defocus or autofocus a little bit when you're doing a video recording, unless it's like a still video shots or anything like that. But if you're moving around, you have to find the focus point on your own. So I would suggest you to use manual focusing if you're doing a video recording. But for image quality, it's really good because, well, the focusing is really silent and it's really fast, as you can see from the sample I showed you just now. So definitely pick yourself one of these if you're just beginning into photography, or even if you're like a pro photographer, for example, you can still get this one. It's definitely, and it's not that heavy also. So I definitely do recommend this. And this is Shady Tech. Until next video to come, see you soon.